In the past 1 hour, we will the 2 hours we have installed and complete our software and environment, included Java, JDK, and MySQL. Do you have installed MySQL and started the MySQL service? Okay, install and start the MySQL service. Okay, the 3. Install IDE or Eclipse. We recommended students use the IDE. The 4. Framework Spring. We will do something. Follow the Spring framework. Okay, now we have installed the other 2 tools. The first one is typora, an editor or reader tool for the text, pictures, table, and so on. The second is Navicat. Navicat is a tool to control or manage our database. MySQL. So now please open the Navicat. Please open the Navicat. Run Navicat. Okay, then click the first choice connection and choose the first MySQL. Okay, now you can look at this. We should create a name by ourselves because like my name is Yu Hongwei, your name is An Shuwei. So everyone's create the name is not equal. So I create my name, my connection name, name 的叫 MySQL 跳好线 MySQL my name 于宏伟 my name 于宏伟 So this is the name connection and the next the host and our IP address, the localhost. Okay, the localhost. Do you know localhost? The localhost is机动equal is equal 什么 equal 127.127 点 0.1. Do you know? Localhost is equal 127 点 0.0.1. Okay, so the default port 3306. 3306 is the default port MySQL service. Do you know? Okay. Default port MySQL service 3306. Okay. The next is admin. When you log the MySQL, when you connect MySQL service, you should with admin and password. Like we connect the Wi-Fi, we will input the password. Okay, Now we connect the MySQL. We will input the admin and the password. Okay. So the default password is root 叫 admin default admin MySQL is root. Now the next password password, like just a minute we connect the Wi-Fi, we will input the password. So the password is your local yourself setting. So you input yourself password of MySQL. You should input yourself password about MySQL. So okay, very good. Oh, it's okay. Double. No. Connection to MySQL server is localhost. No. Connection failed. Now, sorry. Now, you should first input your self password. Now click the left down the button test. It's a test. Okay, test. So successful, connection successful. Okay, you should input yourself password. Yeah. When you install MySQL and start the MySQL service, the software will let you input admin and yeah. You forget it when someone on your road. Okay. Now the next time you come here, you can come here. Okay. So. Okay. This the next name is very useful, very usage yourself. It connects test. Okay. So now you could something. So the database. So okay. Now someone occurred when your connection attempt to connect yourself. Someone occurred connection failed. Now if you occurred some questions, you should check out something occurred. Let me show you succeed sample first. OK， 我先给你展示一个成功的。OK， 好。If you test the connection succeed, you can click the OK. So yeah. 好 you can hear there is two connection to connect our MySQL service. Okay, yeah. We can open the second is okay. If we choose the first one, we can open the connection. So the list you look. Everyone in the list is a database in MySQL. Okay, the list everyone list choice is a database in MySQL MySQL. Okay, so now you can. This is 颜色 color. The icon color is 灰色 gray. 它代表的 is the database is closed. Gray 意味着代表怎么说？代表怎么说？代表意味着代表对，意味着 it means means the icon gray icon the gray 灰色icon gray means the database is closed. So if you want to open the database, you can double click the icon. So for example, I double click the first one. So you can the icon, the first icon color changed the green. It means the first database is open. So this is the database. So the tables in the database is the list. So the list. Okay, we can open the table. Okay, so open. So if you want to close the database, you can choose the close database choice. Okay. So the icon color changed to the green. So it means the database closed. Okay. So I show you a sample of connection, the successful 成功的案例。So if you have occurred something failed, connection failed, now you should check out the question and resolve it. The first one, you should check the MySQL service whether start. 第一步，先检查你的 MySQL 服务是不是启动了。The first one, if you occurred something, if you occurred failed, when you build a connection, you should do the next steps. You should do the next steps. First one, check out whether your MySQL service is started. Okay, check. The second, you should check the admin or yourself password is correct. So, yeah, understand? Understand? Yeah. Oh, don't you? Yes. Oh, congratulations. So, in your computer, you should should now now let's do a note, okay? Do a note. So 如果 occurred ACC connect failed to MySQL, you should do the next steps. You should do the next steps. 好 the first one, check whether MySQL service is start. Okay? Understand? In your computer. COMPUTER, okay? Computer. TERR. Okay, sorry. So let's do say how about do 操作找到你的这个计算机的your computer please open your the control panel of computer service 服务计算机服务 computer service computer service okay you have it so okay so yeah so very okay 找到MySQL 对 MySQL 一看 OK it running the status is running it means the start service is start 对 OK it running yeah you're right OK start stop process OK so do you have a current question do you have a current you haven't installed MySQL okay so now install the MySQL okay do you have current oh this is yeah this is software to manage the service okay for example MySQL yeah this means the MySQL is on is working running and point okay so understand yeah so
cancel
you remember the admin and the password of MySQL when you install MySQL the software MySQL will let you input the admin and the password okay so what so you can check something
I not found.
You forget the password or admin. If you forget the admin or password, you only reset your MySQL. Okay, so you know. Yeah. MySQL service. Okay, so let me find a computer.
I see.
Because my computer is Mac OS. Don't equal your. So
I see.
do you know? Okay, yeah. Good. Oh, forget her password. Okay. Here. Here. The computer, the power is low. Low the power. So yeah, you know, you find your MySQL service. Show here. Show here. Okay. Open. How to find your computer service? For example, MySQL. Oh no, this is the page is download and installation MySQL. They want to know how to open the computer service. 计算机服务 Yeah. So your the service. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. So okay. I'll send the link to WeChat group. Okay. Yeah. So very good. Okay. So you can do service. Okay. Snapshot. 截图。Snapshot. Okay. To send it to my.对。WeChat group. Okay. Yeah. Good. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So that's what. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This. Okay. Snapshot. Okay. Send it to WeChat group. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Very good. In my WeChat group. in our WeChat group, you know, your name is you can call me Hawk. Oh, sorry. Okay. Hawk send 3 pictures to show you how to open and find the service, computer service in your own computer. Okay? Yeah. The steps. Show the steps. I can't show you because my computer is Mac OS. Okay? Sorry. Okay, now the second step. If you find your Mac computer service and check the MySQL service is running, okay, it's working. Okay, now you can do the next step. Check the admin and password is correct. No, you know, is correct. Okay, yeah. If you forget, for example, you forget the password. Okay, if you forget forget the password or admin, you only reset. Okay, reset your MySQL. Do you know? So how to do reset your MySQL? You can Google. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, it's very easy. So you can Google and follow the Google page. Okay, follow. You know, when you do the 2 steps, you can attach 2 in your Navicat. You know, yeah. So if you do the 2 steps, you can once again to attempt to connect yourself in your connection. Okay? Yeah. So connect let me a note connect to MySQL in Navicat. Navi in Navicat. We should input something. The first one is connection name. Connection name. This name is 怎么讲？这个叫 is 自由的。By yourself. Do you know? By yourself. Okay. to the host or IP. The general this input general is general context is localhost is okay. Yeah, we use the default localhost is okay. Yeah, okay. Actually localhost is equal 127.0.0.0.1. Okay, this is equal. Okay. The third MySQL service port 3306. Okay. The 3306 is default port. Okay. If you want to use another port, you can change it. Okay. It's okay. Now you know. So the fourth admin your settings when install MySQL. Okay? Okay? Setting when install MySQL. Okay. Fifth. The password is also equal with admin. Setting when install MySQL. You know? When install. Okay. So if you input the last fifth input, you know you can click the button to test, 对吧？ You can click the test button, okay? Test. Connect. So, and okay. Submit the connection. Do you know? Yeah. Submit the connection. Okay. So you can build, follow the steps. You can build a new connection to connect your computer MySQL service. Okay. So we have the MySQL connection, and then we can connect to MySQL and control database in our programming Java. Okay? Yeah. So do you know? You can okay. Download and install MySQL. Okay, and restart and build a connection. Okay. So this afternoon you have other teachers class.
Yes, this afternoon we have class.
You have class.
I think it's better if we every other we can continue the class till 12 if possible. I mean 8 to 12 instead of the afternoon class. We move this class to this period, like from 10 to
一到什么时间？
yes.
你的意思是一到什么时间？ Move to
Move to
move to 移动到10点到12点。
对方怎么
什么时间？今天移到10点到12点，不是晚上嘛？
আমাদের ক্লাস আছে
At 2. At 2. This afternoon 是吧？2 until to 6 p.m.
Yes.
是吧 ？OK。那
download 完了。
那么哦，
This class is now here, right? Yes. This time, right?
哦。
Yeah. We are looking this class. I mean, from 2 we can put it here. Install them right now. This the second portion of this class. I'm going to use it.
The second.
Yeah.
So our class is every day, every work day from Monday to Friday. Every Monday to Friday. Our time is AM 8 to 11. To 11, 15. 11:50. And the afternoon is PM 2 2点半2点半对2点半
2 to 2:30 for 30 minutes.
30
minutes.
对 PM 2:30
2:30.
对2:30 to 6 50 30 5:30
To 5:30.
对 to 5:30 the standard time is right.
Oh, then we have 2 classes. Then.
Yeah. If you have the other class, you can go the other class first, and then I will to talk about your system, Mr. Yang.
Okay.
Okay. I want to I talk about how to solve the problem. Okay. And then I will talk to you. Okay. So now it means that this afternoon you can go other classroom classes. Okay. Yeah. Now tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning. Yes, no problem.
No problem. Okay. No problem. Okay.
আরে ভাই তুমি বুঝতেছো সকালে 3 ঘন্টা ক্লাস বিকালে 3 ঘন্টা ক্লাস কেমনে তুমি ম্যাচ করাবা আমি তো বুঝতেছি হাউ তুমি থামো so tomorrow we have class 11
Okay.
same time
Same time.
Yeah.
We have to come here.
Yeah, come here, but we also have class now.
Oh. The
Evening, yeah.
Evening.
No, this is not evening. This is not evening. This is here.
Oh, here now.
Yeah, this is changed.
Oh, move
This
here now.
Yes.
Now, I want to. I will talk to Mr. Yang. Same time. 一起。Okay. Now, 如果我还没有了解清楚 before I talk about result with Mr. Yang.
Yeah.
When you class other classes, you can go other classes. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you have other classes and you have time, you will come here. We do the practice coding.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Every morning, and we are talking about afternoon.
Okay. Now this afternoon, you can go other classes. Okay. Now we have please we do something others. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Wait a minute.
we're not done.
No. 11:15. Okay. until to 11:15. Okay. So, please. I already tell my English very poor. Can you run a project? Show me.
One project?
Okay. Yeah.
On
Either last 3 years you finished the project. Any project.
Any project.
Hey, show me any project. The result.
Can I show you an Android app?
Okay. Yeah. I writing Android tooling in 4 years.
4 years.
4 years. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
great.
I'm a deep tooling.
Yes.
Android.
Okay.
Yeah. So I need to show you my Android code. Okay. Yeah. If you want to Android, I will show you Android. Okay. So show me. Yeah. Project. Okay. Yeah. Your own finished?
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
finished.
Yeah.
This is actually submitted.
Actually. Yeah.
Yeah. You can see our project.
Oh, very.
Match video.
Oh, video. Yeah. I'm writing video. I'm writing a video program project now. The next time or either in this month I will go to Shenzhen.
Shenzhen.
The Shenzhen a computer a company about the Android class.
Yeah, we
Oh.
attended this competition. This is the app.
Okay. Wow. Very good. Oh, very good. Very good. Yeah. Very good. Okay.
Yeah, I have here.
Photo, finger, photo. Okay. Hey. Okay.
When I want to show, then they,
I think.
yeah, it's always like this. When I want to show someone,
Oh.
there is some problem.
Oh.
Wow. Now, okay, I don't know. This is weird.
Hey, you're not. So wait.
Yeah.
Maybe you update your
App?
OS.
Yes, I update my OS.
Maybe the new update the new version of OS your app and can't suit the
Yeah.
new version. Maybe occur the bug or anything. So
Yeah, this is the
like active. Okay, yeah. So run, right? So the APP edition is occur. Okay, yeah. Now, right? Oh, shit. Twice the
private phone?
yeah. That's
Not
not yeah. Lots of work message. Okay. Yeah. So a lot. So this is my first time to teach the class in English. So I'm very nervous.
It's okay. I understand. It says gradle is running.
Okay. So Android is particular very slowly.
It's very
Very slowly. So you sometimes you will wait a minute, 2 minutes, or more.
more, yeah.
Yeah.
But this is the app section.
Okay.
This is the web section.
Okay. Very good.
This will show
More. Yeah.
information from here.
Okay. You know you finished your
Project?
yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Or one team?
Just me.
Just me.
Just
Just you.
yeah.
Just yourself.
Yeah.
Finish this work.
Yeah, the APP and this one.
And web. Yourself. Oh. Very good.
This is connection timeout.
VPN.
Yeah.
Okay. The server is foreign.
How do
Hey,
I?
the VPN is free?
No.
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 Yeah. I want to know how do you do it in China? Because without VPN.
VPN.
Yeah.
I also VPN by
I know, but is there a way to not use VPN? Because it's using these places, the Maven, Google.
Yeah, sure. Okay. When you visit the Google Maven, sometimes you only open the VPN.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you know, my computer, the navigate bar is icon of Panda.
Panda, yeah.
Panda, the second Panda.
Yeah.
Panda is a VPN software. Okay, I use it.
I have 2 VPNs, but now it's none of them.
Yeah. So.
No. Oh, it's connected.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. When you graduated, you also stay here, stay China,
Maybe.
maybe. Oh. The phone open as a review. The software need to review. No. Okay. Your server is in China. Aliyun.
Yeah.
Yeah, Aliyun.
Not uneven, but now at this section no server is required.
No server.
No,
Oh.
server is
Oh,
required.
okay. Also, is now is local.
Yeah, it's local. Yeah.
Local.
Yeah. But
No.
I think something's wrong with the software of my
Okay.
phone.
Maybe
Yeah.
occurred something.
Yeah,
Oh.
after the update.
Debug.
Yeah, debug. They don't follow you. Cool. So this one, maybe.
Whether the information
Yeah, it's.
information you lost,
Yeah.
check out. So wait a minute, it's done. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, perfect.
Wait.
Okay.
What? I just ran this like.
Oh,
Now.
no. Loading. Oh, yeah, yes. Okay, okay.
Dango CN from China. And now if I download this,
Okay. Oh, very good.
this is we already submitted to this competition.
Oh, this is the girl?
Huh?
Girl?
Yeah, this is me, but then two Chinese people have to.
Two Chinese people, Chinese students.
Chinese students, yes.
Okay.
We went there. Now we're in the finals.
Oh.
National level. I'll show you.
So,
Yeah.
oh. Oh, 2等奖. Okay. Very good. Congratulations. Okay. So, can you install the MySQL? MySQL? Can you install MySQL? Install MySQL? Have you installed? Yeah. Okay. So, can you install it? MySQL?
इंस्टॉल जस्ट मैं ये दिखाने जा रहा हूँ फाइल ये फाइल सेटिंग है तो मैं सेटिंग है
Okay. Now, if you have not installed IDA, now you can open your browser Chrome and visit Google, download the IDA. Okay, the IDA is the tool for the next class. We will use the IDA for writing coding. Okay. Now, so we visit the Google and IDEA. Okay, IDEA. So and click the result. IDEA, IntelliJ IDEA. The IntelliJ IDEA and Eclipse is a simple tool to coding. Okay. Which one is okay? But we recommended to use IDEA. Okay, because when you graduated and go to company, the actually company in China now, the coder use IDEA is more than Eclipse. Okay, the Eclipse is less and less. The IDEA is general user usually use. Okay. So now, if you visit this page, okay? So wait, open the so engine 啊。IDE tool download. Okay. And download and install. Okay. Download and install. Please choose your computer operations type Windows. If I install, I will choose Mac OS. Okay. Yeah. So we can click the button download. Download. Okay. When you OS is Windows, please click this. Okay. Done. Free 30 days. Free 30 days trial. This term is unfree. It's unfree. It's only free 30 days. 30 days.
I have the other one.
Huh?
I have the other one.
The other one. You have the right? No.
No.
This one. Okay. Now it's also. Yeah. It's fine. Also it's fine. Yeah. Okay. The left, the right. You can also click the right community 社区版免费 This is free. Okay, this is a free version. Okay, download and install. Okay, download and install. Okay, so please. And if you already download the IDE and install the IDE, you can also find the IDE on your computer like me this. Okay, yeah, you can know Android Studio. It's developed Android project. Okay, the Golang is a tool to Golang code. Yeah. Golang is also a language like Java, C, Python. Yeah. The Golang is very increase the user increase. It's the Golang language is opened in 2027 or 28 by Google. like Android. Okay. Yeah. The third IntelliJ IDE is our tool for Java coding. Okay. Now the last one, PyCharm, is writing to Python. Okay. Now let's choose the third one, IntelliJ. Okay. Now click the icon IntelliJ IDE. Okay. Yeah. You can look this picture. Okay. Yeah. You can, if you open the IntelliJ IDE, you can look at the panel. In this panel, there are several choices to control a project. The first one is check a new project. The second is import project. The import project is used to, if you have an extra project. For example, I send you a project, and you can import the project to your IDE and run it. Okay? Yeah. The third choice is open one files for Java or one files or POM. The settings configure files. Okay. Now I say your question. Do you know or do you learn Git? Do you learn Git? Git is a code person manager. No? Do you know Git? GitHub. Do you know GitHub? GitHub. GitHub is a responsibility to save, to restore our project code. Yeah. You can, for example, you read the project in Java. Now you will send your project to others. Oh, in the last, you only send to others by WeChat with the maven net. Okay, or you can use the move disk, and then you give the disk to others cut the project from disk and to ourselves computer. Okay, and import the second choice, import our IntelliJ to our computer. Okay, yeah, you are right. Yeah, but if you learn Git or GitHub, including GitHub, you can send your code to GitHub by Git command. No? Yes. Now, then your code is sent to GitHub responsibly. And the other one, for example, he can clone the code from GitHub. Okay? Use Git command. And then the code is from the remote repository. Clone my computer or his computer. Okay? Then we can import the clone code to the IDE and run it. Okay. Now, when he finish the coding in the 克隆 code. Okay. He also recommend 重新提交 recommend code and send the code to responsive. Okay, and then you 克隆 his code from responsive on GitHub. Okay, you know. So the second import project is used with others tools. OK， 第二种方式，这个第二个选项经常和 general 使用 use 和其他 with others tools. For example, MySQL, Git. Okay. So now we can do a simple for create a new project. Okay. So we can click the create a new project. When you click the new project, create a new project, you can look there are panel list show you a panel in the window. The panel is the left is a list of IDE the main module. Okay. For example, Java Enterprise. Okay, JBoss, Clouds, and then Spring. Spring is the core our class. Okay. The next Android. The IDE is also developed Android project. Okay. And then Maven is very important. Okay. Maven is very important. Maven is a software what build our project. You know? Yes. Okay. Because why do we need a Maven? Because our project is very complex. 非常复杂. Okay? When our project is more and more big, more and more complex, we can use the Maven to build our project. Okay? To our project. The Maven will list the steps how to build our project. Okay? Every step. You know? Yeah. So, and then the next Gradle. Gradle is the simple version, a simple software with Maven. Okay. So let me a note. Let me do a note. So the Maven, 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 and Gradle, Gradle. This the tool. The tool what that can build the project. Okay, do you know? Yeah. Okay. So, do you know what the maven and build work? It's according the config file. Okay. Okay. Maven, they work according ACCORDIN according to 什么 configure file。好 ，maven maven， 好 pom 点 ，OK，Do you know？ Do you know pom 点 chapter？Do you know？ 好 ，chapter configure 点 pom，OK， 好 ，gradle with gradle what files？gradle，Do you know？ build 点 gradle。OK， Do you know build 点 gradle？ Do you know？ OK， Maven is a tool to build our project. How we can build our project one by one step. Okay. So now what we can do? We could write the one by one step how to do in POM chapter. Okay, XML. Okay. If we use the gradle tool, we should write one by one step how to do in our build gradle file. Okay. Yeah. So Maven and Gradle. Yeah. Now, so the next Kotlin. Kotlin, as we know, Kotlin is an language like Java. So Kotlin is the language is Google designed. It means the Google want to the Kotlin instead to Java, because the Java is open. The Java is owned by Sun. Now the Sun company is owned Oracle. So the Oracle and Google is 对手，竞争对手。对手，能理解吗？对立的。OK， so the Google want to 减少依赖，降低怎么说？They want to 降低。
They want to migrate.
Migrate.
Yeah, or implement their own language.
Language. Okay, yeah, 对。The Google want to develop the Android, the others project use their own language. So the Google created the Kotlin, designed the Kotlin. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so now this morning we can create a Maven project. Is okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we choose the Maven, MAVEN. Okay. And now, so this selection is project SDK. So in this morning, I told you the first environment software is GDK. So when you install GDK 1.8, you can look the project SDK 1.8, okay? 1.8, okay? Yeah. This is the version of your GDK, okay? So now, when you create the project, you can click the choice create from archetype. This is some template 模板 template for you. You can choose one. Okay? Then so your GDK version is 15. This means the 15.02 is the last version GDK. So open GDK. So no. We recommended you to install a 1.8 version. It's okay because the 15 version GDK is very last, very new. Okay, so the version maybe has some future we don't know. You know. So you should You should start older version. No. 是有 yeah. Okay, download. Yeah. So good. Okay. So you have here. When our learn and work, when we learn coding or programming work, we use the older version because the newer version maybe have some future we don't know. Yeah, it may be produce some testings, you know. So it's starting. So wait a minute. Yeah. And then when it download the finish, you can choose the older version. Okay. Yeah. My English is very good. So this is first time to speak English. Your English is learning come here in English that come to China and then you find one. Oh. No. Your home 근래 본다. 도입이 컴퓨터. So you can back this one, okay? So okay. So you can create click choice create from action. This means you can create a project. Program depends some template. Okay. If you choose one, if you choose the list one, the idea will create a template project for you. You know? Yeah. If you don't choose this the whole work, you do it yourself. Okay? Only you do self all the whole work. Okay? So
Which one should we select? Anyone?
oh, the order. Okay.
This one?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, download them. So if your GDP version is not 1.8, you can also choice a older version. Yeah. Download choice the equal version. So you haven't installed myself, okay? Where are you installed this here?
Yes.
You from that? You from get it net. So the time I give you a person. Okay. English person. English. Download. Yeah. Okay. Do you have Baidu 网盘 anyone? You have?
But free.
Huh?
Free version.
Free version.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I share you the link, and you can click
看来
and
你不喜欢我刚才那个
oh
回复。
Siri. So a week of Siri. Sorry. So I give you the version the Baidu 网盘 link. Okay. You can click and download the version. Okay. The last one. Okay.
Yes, free. Remember the email for students
MySQL.
If you have it, then you will.
So
Just have to sign up here.
so you can click and input the password. The password 00B8Z. Okay, and download it. Okay. 百度网盘 Yeah.
You get it for 1 year. You get it
Yeah.
for 1 year. Yeah.
Password in our WeChat in our WeChat. Okay. Yeah. 0B8Z. Okay. Yeah. So you have installed MySQL. You don't need it. You need it. Download. Okay. So that. Yeah. You download it. So yeah. So that it needs you input the password. Okay. The password is 0B8Z. You can so okay. Then you can download. You install you install Baidu Plan. No, you can't download. Now let me you already installed the server. Yeah, so you want to no. So you can forget it. Okay. This link is for the last. Okay.
చేసినా అమెరికా ఉన్నాయో చేసినా
我直接把你这个把软件给你可以吗？I give you the software directly. 对，明白。OK，是。I give you the first the software directly. You can. Yeah. Next. Next. Okay. Great. Yeah. So let's find another method. Okay. I give you the company the software directly. Okay. So, yeah. You can forget the link. Okay. So due to you haven't the Baidu Wangpan client. Okay, I will download the MySQL software and other software, and then tomorrow when you come here, I will give you the whole software today. Okay, and according to this 硬盘. Okay, so this time today the time limit 不够了，时间unlimited. So tomorrow when you come here, I give you the software. Okay, 好。When I talk about 安树什么？安志伟。So you have class 这个 afternoon. Yeah. So this afternoon you have class. You go on class. Okay. I will talk about Mr. Yang and to find a solution. Okay. Okay. So. Oh, okay. So you can snapshot and send me. Snapshot. Read the snapshot and send me. Okay. Tomorrow when you come here, I will help you fix the text. Okay. Read the. Okay. So tomorrow the timetable, the morning 18. Okay. So yeah.
ক্লাস করে সাথে বাইকটাও নিয়ে এসে চার্জ দিয়ে ভাই বক্সের খাবার দিয়ে
Okay. So bye bye. See you. Bye bye. See you. Oh, bye bye. See you.
Oh, you sent all files. You sent all files.
All the files.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. You're right.
So we need to use professional version.
No.
Just only version.
Yeah.
Because we need to use professional version. Like we have to buy.
No. We have free. Yeah. Oh, bye.什么大学？清华大学。You want to 清华大学 Yeah, very good.清华大学很好啊。
It's really hard to enter for international students. For my master's degree, I want to study
You started.
scholarship. I'm working on some research paper.
你想去
我想去
清华大学，
清华大学。
想去清华大学
是的。
然后呢？
然后 now I want someone if any help can help. I really want to get it for my study. Master's degree.
Master degree.
Master's degree.
Master degree.
Yes.
博士是吧？Okay.
So now still I have time.
Ah.
More than like I'm going to be graduate in December.
December 12月。
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I still have a lot of time.
Lot of time.
I have now. Or you a lot of time also. I'm working on some research paper.
Research paper.
Yes, sir.
So
I have
research paper.
yes. So
毕业论文。
yes, sir.
Okay.
So I think that maybe if I have some research paper, if I have, maybe it's easy for me to
Easy for me to enter
enter in
清华大学。
Now I don't know how to enter. Please, if I need any help, I'll ask you.
Last,
If I need any help,
if you
need
need
any help,
any help,
I'll ask you, sir.
yeah, very.
Because you are in,
Of
you
course.
are from
Of
Beijing.
course. My home is Beijing.
Sure.
Yeah. So
It's easy for you.
Yeah. If you want to, if you go to Beijing, in one day, future, okay, you can call me. Okay.
Master.
Yeah. Very good.
Now I want that. How will I enter into Jihadashu? I mean, like what I should do and what I should follow.
Okay. Very good.
So I'll take your opinion.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. My English is very poor, so yeah. Bye.
What?